What's up, YouTube audience, viewership, friends, comrades, enemies, trolls, apathetic viewers, people too tired to sleep. Gonna do a little bit of flying with my 14-year-old son here. I'm not a good enough pilot yet to take him up by myself, but he's gonna fly with the CFI instructor, and maybe I'll even get to fly with the instructor today. And this will be his third flight, so thought it might be cool to have a camera here. Some stuff happened last time I flew. The flaps switch stopped working, and since then the plane has been repaired, and I think it's good to go. Look at the size difference between those two jets. The little one and big one. It's like mama and baby. Yeah. And then the biggest one you see is in the hangar there. Like 737 they got in the hangar. And look, the jet turbine's turning. Oh yeah.
So we're going to get our taxi clearance. So I want you to call them. Okay. We'll practice it first, don't you worry. But right now, if we look in our Comm 1, this is our Comm 1. Right now we've got Medford Tower in the number 1 in the active, and we got ground and standby. So with that button there, go and switch it over to ground, because that's who we're going to call first.
I don't know why it's like that.
And we're going to call them up. So that call, I know you've heard it a million times, but we're going to practice it here together. So it's going to be Medford ground, Cessna 3833 Quebec at Millionaire with information golf, taxi for closed traffic. So let's practice that, just you and I, not pressing the button.
Okay.
I'm ATC and you are the pilot.
Okay. Medford ground, Cessna 3833 Quebec with information golf at Millionaire for closed traffic.
Cessna 3833 Quebec, taxi runway 32 via Bravo Alpha.
32 via Bravo Alpha, Cessna 3833 Quebec.
Do it.
All right. Medford ground, Cessna 3833 Quebec with information golf at Millionaire for closed traffic.
Cessna 3833 Quebec, Medford ground runway 32, taxi via Bravo Alpha.
32 via Bravo Alpha, Cessna 3833 Quebec.
Nice! Killed it, first try. Good job. I'm going to lean this out for us. Let's do a quick brake check, and we'll taxi on over there with our freshly obtained ATIS and taxi clearance. Okay, brake check. Feel good. Check my side, my controls.
Your controls?
My controls. Good. Brakes feel good. All right, your controls.
All right, my controls.
Your controls. Follow this yellow line in front of us.
Yellow line?
Yep, it's coming out, just the one off to your left there.
Okay.
So use first your left rudder, and then if you need to tap a little bit of brake, you can. Nice. Now we're on tower. We're holding short 3-2 for closed traffic. So your call to tower really quick is going to be Medford Tower, Cessna 3833 Quebec, holding short 3-2 closed traffic. Okay. He's going to come back. He's going to say Cessna 3833 Quebec, runway 32 cleared for takeoff, make left traffic. You'll say 32 cleared for takeoff, left traffic, 33 Quebec.
Okay, so Cessna 3833 Quebec.
And you start with Medford Tower.
Medford Tower, Cessna 3833 Quebec, holding short of 3-2 at Alpha 1.
For closed traffic.
For closed traffic.
Perfect. And Cessna 3833 Quebec, runway 32 clear for takeoff, make left traffic. Cool, go do it.
Medford Tower, Cessna 3833 Quebec, holding short of 3-2 at Alpha 1 for closed traffic.
Cessna 3833 Quebec, Medford Tower, runway 32, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Runway 32, cleared for takeoff, left traffic, Cessna 3833 Quebec.
Very nice. Go take the center line for me. Lined up, heels to the floor.
Heels to the floor.
And then 1, 2, 3, full power.
1, 2, 3.
Good, full power, good. Hand on the throttle. 65, smooth pull to the horizon. Bring that nose to the horizon. Nice. Very good. And just hold it on the horizon right there. Good. Nice, Hez. So when we get to the end of the runway, we make our left turn to crosswind. I usually turn by that water tank over there. If you see the water tank with the solar panels on top of it, that's about when I like to turn crosswind. Nice, smooth, standard rate turn over to crosswind. Right about there. Nice. Good. Make sure you lead with a little rudder. You see you got about 100 feet to go. So at 50, we're going to bring the power back to about 2,000 RPM. And we're going to lower the nose to a level flight attitude. So right about there, power comes back to about 2,000. Nose comes down right about there. Nice.
Okay.
Good. Now we can turn downwind. Very good, Hez. Okay, when we get right next to the 3-2, the number is 3-2, we're not there yet, but when we do, we're going to bring the power back to about 17, just above the 15.
Okay.
We're going to bring our carb heat on. We're going to add our first notch of flaps.
All right.
I'll handle the radios from here, but listen to what I say, and your radio sounded really good, by the way. That was awesome.
Okay. KMFR Tower, Cessna 3833 Quebec, downwind midfield, full stop, taxi back. Cessna 33 Quebec, runway 32, clear to land. 32, clear to land, 33 Quebec.
We're going to do a full stop taxi back so you can practice takeoffs too.
Okay.
That way you're not so rushed either.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, so now start pulling throttle back.
Good. There's the 3-2, so power comes back to about 17, right about there.
Right there, okay.
Carb heat comes on.
Carb heat.
And you're already in the white arc, so you're going to go ahead and add one notch of flaps.
Okay.
So you can just go 1 1000, 2 1000. Looks good. And we're going to use power to get where we want to be. So we're just a little bit high, so we're going to use a little bit of power back.
Okay.
And we're going to use pitch to maintain the airspeed that we want. Just like you're doing, holding 70, using power for the descent, and pitch for your airspeed. Look, there's one red. As it intercepts that second red, we're going to add a little bit of throttle so we don't descend too fast. Right about there, add some throttle. Good, use that pitch for airspeed, so keep it about 70. Use power if you feel low.
All right.
You're good where you're at. Power out. Take the power out. All the way. Now just hold it right there. Don't let it touch the ground. Keep holding. Keep holding. Nice. Nice. Good, good. Deep breath, and we're a full stop taxi back, so I'm going to help us out here. We're going to get off Alpha 2. That way we don't burn up too much time taxiing back.
Yeah.
Nice job.
33 Quebec, remain this frequency, runway 32, taxi V Alpha. 32 V Alpha, 33 Quebec. Cessna 33 Quebec, you can just advise I'm ready for departure. Okay, we will do 33 Quebec.
All right.
All right, go and taxi back to runway 32 for me. Nice job.
As you stud, you got off on Alpha 2.
That's why we start slowing down before we get there. That way we don't run through that. Good. Okay, so Medford Tower, Cessna 3833 Quebec, holding short, 32, close traffic.
Medford Tower, Cessna 383 Quebec, holding short of 32, close traffic.
Cessna 33 Quebec, runway 32, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, make left traffic. Cessna 383 Quebec.
Nice. Okay, mixture rich.
Rich.
Lights are on.
They're on.
Transponder's good, so we can taxi on out. Good.
All right.
Okay, now start slowing yourself up before you turn, so power back, a little bit of brakes. And try to get right on that center line for me. Don't overshoot it. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. So line yourself up. Heels to the floor.
Heels to the floor.
And 1, 2, 3, full power.
1, 2, 3.
A little bit of right rudder. And on that throttle. Good. Nice smooth inputs with your rudder. Just like that. Nice, Hez. Airspeed's alive. Oil pressure's in the green. 65 and smooth rotation. Bring the nose to the horizon. Right there. Better every time. Nice job. Just hold it right here. Just let it come down just like this. Don't do it. Okay. Don't bring the nose up. Hold it just like this. I'll tell you when to round out and hold it off. This looks great. Okay, power out. And hold the nose. Nope, nope, nope. Not too much. There you go. Now start holding. Now Yeah, just hold it there, hold it there. Yeah, this kid's a stud, man. You started just a little soon, right?
Uh-huh.
So once we got that second one in, you held it just like you're supposed to. Awesome job.
Medford Tower, Cessna 383C Quebec, holding short of 32 for closed traffic.
Cessna 33 Quebec, runway 32, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Runway 32, clear for takeoff, left traffic, Cessna 383C Quebec.
Nice. All right, mixture rich.
Sounds confident on that thing.
I know, he sounds good, doesn't he?
Sounds cheerful.
Transponder, that all looks great. Okay, taxi on out.
All right.
Runway 32, report 4 miles.
And rotate, bring the nose to the horizon.
Report 4 mile.
More, nose up. There you go. Nose to the horizon. Just like you did before. Nice. Good.
Cessna 33 Quebec, can you make short approach this pass? We'd rather do a 360 or something if that'd be better. Cessna 33 Quebec, roger, make a right 360. Right 360, 33 Quebec, thanks.
Let it come down, let it come down, let it come down, and hold it. Hold it, hold it. There you go. And we'll get off Alpha 2. Good. Not too much nose down. There you go, right there is what we're looking for. Right there. Okay, power out. All the way. Let it come down, and hold. Not too much, just hold it right there. And keep hold, keep hold, keep hold. Oh, nice. See what I mean by not too much? If you pull too much, it's going to balloon. So you just bring it nice and level, and then as it starts coming down, you just keep holding it off. That was nice.
Cessna 33 Quebec, turn left Alpha 3, runway 32, taxi via Alpha, remain this frequency.
Good, you're fine. Just right there. You're good. Good, hold it right there. Power out, runway's assured. Okay, let it come down, round out. And just hold it right there. Keep holding, keep holding. Nice, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
I wasn't there at all.
That was awesome.
I wasn't there at all, August.
Yeah, I could feel it. I could feel it. It was...
Cessna 33 Quebec, turn left Alpha 3, going back to the ramp. Yeah, we're going back to the ramp, left Alpha 3. Cessna 33 Quebec, taxi ramp via Alpha Bravo, monitor ground point 8. See you.